Well, hello friends, welcome back to the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. In today's video, we're going to take a tour of the house and then look at some of the finishes that they have been already installed. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start a tour in the front of the house. The entire outside has already been painted, and they use Sherwin-Williams paint in pure white, oyster white, and green villa. And the door and the shutters will be painted later in moody blue. All the floor of the porch and the driveway will be covered with this beautiful cobblestone called Napoli. The porch, it has a very cute little window here, and this is the front door. We picked this glass so it gives some privacy when you're looking into the house. This is the foyer, and this is the stairs going to the loft. And it's a two-story foyer. It got already the first coat of the paint, and the paint color is Greek Villa, and the trim is pure white. We're going to go into this narrow hallway into this area that is the garage in here, and in here is the laundry. I'm so excited to get a laundry with a lot of space, and we're planning to put some cabinets on this wall too. And it has a nice window to bring some light. Side is the mud room, and we are going to get a bench that the builder will build with some hooks on the top. And on this side, there is a nice storage because we don't have a basement in Florida. They give a lot of closets with storage. So it's a very big storage under these stairs. It's very big. And then on this other door is the powder room. And we're going to have a pedestal sink and the toilet, and a very cute little window there. Moving along, we're going to get to the open area. All this area is the kitchen with an island. This area here will be more cabinets with the refrigerator. And in this area here is a small little pantry. So all this area will have the cabinets with the hood, with the stove here. Moving this way, this is the dining room, or what they call it here, the cafe area. And in the other area is the living room. We upgraded the ceilings to have this beautiful tray ceiling with crown molding. So this makes the room 11 feet tall. So we'll have some can lights, and in the middle, I'm planning to put a chandelier to make a statement. And you can see the beautiful view of the triple sliding door of the pond that is at the end of the yard. Moving along, this area here, this little alcove leads you to the master bedroom. For us, it was very important to have the master bedroom in the first floor, so we don't have to go upstairs as we get older. So the master bedroom has a very nice view also of the pond. We added this area here this area is an extension from here. This alcove here is an extension, so that was an upgrade to make the master bedroom bigger. We decided not to add windows on this side because the house next door is pretty close to us, so we wanted some privacy. And because this house faces south, it has a little light during the day. So it looks, it's kind of like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's no lights, and it looks pretty bright. And I'm very excited because they finished the bathroom and they put the tiles, and they look great, all the tiles. And they just finished this one in here. They're still putting the little things to hold the tiles. So it goes all the way to the ceiling. And we added and also upgraded to have that little niche there to put some soaps. So the shower will have half glass to here, and there will be an entry shower, so it won't have a door there. In this area here is the water closet, separate. I'm excited because we have a pocket door. I used to love pocket doors in our house when we built custom-made house in Salt Lake City, Utah. We had a lot of pocket doors, so we put one in here and one there at the entrance of the bathroom. On this area here, we ended the tiles here, and in this area here we'll have luxury vinyl floor, and this is our walk-in closet. It's a little bit dark because it doesn't have any windows there. Moving along, I love the floor. It looks so beautiful. It's a little dirty because they haven't cleaned it up and they haven't put the grout yet, but I love it. It looks great. Let's go upstairs now. Go upstairs. It looks like it's going to start raining pretty soon, so I'm going to hurry up to show you the upstairs. This is the stairs, and we will have cottage style banister all the way to the top of the second floor, but they haven't put that yet. So let's go upstairs and look what's going on. So when you get upstairs, there is this landing, and this is the loft. We will have a railing over here, so the loft will be open to the foyer, and this is the view of the foyer. And I love those 3 little windows that bring some light into the foyer and also the loft. This is the view from the loft into the foyer, and in the center there will be a chandelier hanging from the ceiling. We also added crown molding around the top of the ceiling into the loft. This area here is the loft. We put a window in the back of the loft to view the pond, but we decided not to put any windows on this other wall so we don't have view of the house next door to us. The pond has a beautiful view. The glass is a little bit dirty, but you can see the beautiful view of the pond in the back. Along, we're going to go to see the bathroom upstairs. This area here is a linen closet, and this area here is the bathroom, and I love the tiles, how they turn out. They still to grout them, but I love how they turn out. This was the only upgrade that we did on the bathroom. We got the white cabinets and also the white tiles that the builder was offering as a standard. But these tiles are laid out in a different pattern, so they look more upscale than a regular 6x6 tile. So this is the top, but it's covered now so it doesn't get scratched. And there will be the toilet and this cute little window that looks at the front of the house. We're going to go to the first guest room. That is this one on the front of the house, and it has the 3 little windows like in the foyer. And there is a very nice closet and one window. To go to the next room, that is this one, has a nice window on the side and closet. They haven't hung the doors yet. They were painting it, so now they had to hang the doors. And the next bedroom that we're going to look at is my office, and it has a great view of the pond. This area here is the closet where the heating system is going to go, and they put some standard tiles on the floor. So moving along, this room is the office that I'm going to use for myself, and I pick it up because look at the gorgeous view that I will have. Love it. And also this room has a nice deep walk-in closet here that I can also put all my crafts. And now I'm going to show you some of the kitchen cabinets that we selected and some of the handles for the kitchen. This is a view of the design selection showroom of this builder. There were so many beautiful options that it was very hard to make a decision, but I was able to make a decision, and I'm very happy with what we picked. After looking at so many beautiful options, we decided to go with white cabinets with a dark wood center island, luxury vinyl plank floor, quartz countertops, and bronze accessories on the handles and the faucet. All the door handles throughout the house will be in satin nickel. And this is a selection combination for the master bathroom. You already saw the tiles installed on the floor and the shower. For the upstairs bathroom, I selected a white cabinet with these beautiful tiles and countertops. You already saw the tiles installed earlier in this video. For the kitchen island, I selected this beautiful farmhouse sink to go in the center of the island. My friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you join me next time so you can take a look when we install the cabinets. And also I have a big surprise in the backyard that I want to show you. So I hope that you join me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.